Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The government is hoping to continue the implementation of programs to increase business opportunities and reduce bureaucracy. The Jamaica Business Forum was held on Wednesday. Javon Keys reports.
Quicker processing time, fewer requirements, and clear steps, the demand from private sector stakeholders who've long complained about roadblocks hindering the ease of doing business. The Foundations for Competitiveness and Growth project was established nearly 10 years ago to address some of the issues, with the World Bank pumping some $50 million in funding for its implementation. That arrangement ends this month, and the government will pick up support for the next year.
The FCGP was designed to strengthen the local business environment for increased private sector investment. It does so through three components, namely enhancing competition, facilitating strategic private investments in the form of privatization and public-private partnerships, and improving the productivity of our SMEs.
There is also a tool of measurement, the Business Environment Reform Agenda. Its objectives:
to increase the automation of GOJ processes in the short run. Also, very critically for the private sector, a reduction of costs, and not only for the private sector, but also for government. To also ensure that there is greater transparency and predictability in the business environment. Over the medium term, as Dr. Henry has indicated, increased levels of foreign direct investment, local direct investment flows, and of course, job creation.
Industry, Investment and Commerce Minister Aubin Hill says all the programs, once implemented correctly, will boost local investment.
We must make doing business in Jamaica easier, faster, simpler, and better. So all my agencies know that that's my aim. Everything must be done faster and easier.
For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
Trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $155.22. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.31. The pound is going for $197.16, while the euro is selling for an average $168.40. To the stock market now, the JSE index gained 86 points today, while the junior market advanced by 28 points. Among the 42 winners, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, Consolidated Bakeries, Cargo Handlers, Jamaican Teas, and First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares. The 40 decliners include JMMB Group 7% VR Jamaican dollar shares, 138 Student Living Jamaica VR shares, Key Insurance Company, and Carbon Assurance Brokers. 23 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.